It is not Valentine's Day without a heart-shaped treat, and these homemade donuts are soft, fluffy, and topped with a sweet, glossy glaze. And one unexpected ingredient gives them a bright pop of color that you see. Recipe creator Tami Steggell, she's like, can you say bagel? That's how you say your name.
That's right.
Steggell says they make for the sweetest Valentine's breakfast of all. They are so darling. And you say right off the top, anyone can do this.
Anyone can do this. I have provided a donut recipe for you in the recipe. However, if you're a little bit afraid of making donuts, you can just take standard rolls. And so I took frozen rolls, and I put this in my refrigerator last night with a lid or a cover on it.
Okay.
So they're soft, but they haven't risen.
Okay, gotcha.
So
that's what happens if you put them in the fridge. Soft, but they don't rise. Okay.
Right. And so you can just take one of those that are thawed and give it a little roll out into a square, and then just take a cookie cutter.
Any size, really? Doesn't matter?
Any size, and give it a cut. And then what I like to do is I like to tear that dough away from the outside.
Instead of trying to pull the inside out?
Right.
Okay.
And then pull away.
Boom.
So that you keep the shape.
Okay, easy.
So,
Thank you. So if you want to go hardcore, make her recipe. If not, get the frozen. Okay.
Yes, and then you just cover them and let them rise for 45 minutes. And then you're going to use a heavy bottom pot with an oil of choice, like a neutral oil. It can be canola oil, vegetable oil, coconut oil. Just something that is neutral that will allow you to get the temperature up to 350 degrees.
Okay, you're using your thermometer for that.
And then you'll want to use a thermometer and then just a little slotted spoon. And what I do with the shape is I put it in the oil and I flip it really quickly to kind of seal the shape, because I noticed when I was practicing, the shape would go out of, it would lose its shape if I didn't quickly flip it.
Okay, so a quick flip to keep the heart shape.
Yes.
Cute. And just till they're brown.
Yep.
And then this is the amazing part, because have you ever seen colors like this?
So here they are, all fried up, and they're golden brown, and they're all different little heart shapes.
So
and
cute.
then the fun part, because you can like include your kids, if you have kids at home, for a fun Valentine's morning, or you can just have it all ready for your family. But you can make these beautiful colored glazes with some powdered sugar. And let's go ahead and give it a try.
Okay, now I know most of you are saying,
of
I've never seen colors like this. And it's
you
because
haven't?
I think most people are thinking, oh, those are colors I don't normally get with my little droppers of food coloring.
Yes.
Because she's using, tell us the secret.
Yeah, this is frozen juice concentrate. So this particular one is a guava strawberry that gives you a really light pink. And then the next one is a fruit punch, which gives you like a brighter pink. And then the one over there is a cran raspberry, which happens to be one of my favorites. And then the last one, which is my all-time favorite, is grape.
That's a great color.
And
so do you get a hint of the taste too?
Oh, you get a lot of the taste.
Okay.
It delivers really well. So if you want to feel what the texture is like, grab one of the juices.
Okay.
And then go ahead and
all of this in?
Pour it all in.
She'll give us those measurements online in her recipe.
So it's about 2 cups. I went for half of a portion, but it's about 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then 3 to 5 to 6 tablespoons of liquid.
Oh, I'm making a mess.
And then, so it feels a little bit stiff in the beginning.
Yeah, it does.
But like as you continue to stir, it becomes this texture right here.
I love these
colors.
Okay, how are we dipping?
Grab your little heart-shaped donut and slide it in, and then
this is setting up. That one's setting up.
Let's go ahead, and we'll use this one.
Okay.
So we'll go for the light
mix
pink.
it. We'll let the pro mix it.
And then you just gotta give it just a tiny bit of muscle. There you go.
If it does kind of get set up like that, we just throw it in the microwave?
That's kind of the thickness. Yeah. Yes, these were made ahead of time, and you could give them maybe 8 seconds in the microwave.
Okay.
Not a lot, because if you get it too liquid, then it will drip off too much, and you want it to kind of like stay
She's just dipping the little top in there. Let it drip a little bit. Let it drip.
And then there you go.
These are so adorable. They don't even need anything else, because you've done like a little ombre with all the colors over here. Such a fun idea. I just love it. You could really do any shape too.
Yes, I love it, and they're super tasty. I don't know if you want to try it and go.
I'm going to in the break. if that's okay.
Yes.
Because those look delicious. Okay, what else? You just are gonna tell us where we can find more of your amazing ideas?
So you can find this recipe on Studio 5 KSL website, and you can also find it on bitemeindustries.com. And there's a link to how to make donuts if you want to adventure down that path, or how to keep it simple and just use some frozen dough.
Thank you for this fun idea for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
Okay, thanks, Tami.